spend some day with me in Dubai.差不多要把我的影片剪完了，终于现在在 edit 这字幕。我刚刚叫了 grocery， 叫了这里的中超。原本想要买一个 tray， 那种 IKEA 的那种可以动的 tray 来放零食。我刚刚看到这里这些橱都是空的。Clean with me。我为什么突然要买那么多零食、泡面、饼干呢？因为我其实是一个很喜欢吃零食的人。其次呢，有时候去到一些地方，一来可能是没有那么干净，二来是那些食物就是没有那么好吃。但是不好吃的话，你又要花钱去吃 room service 啊，吃那种不好吃的又贵的东西的话，不如带泡面去，又省钱，然后又可以好吃。不到非常的时候，我都不会吃这些东西。还有买了一些调味酱，这边是我平常用的位置。tomato， 这些是水果，像阿木西。到非常的时候，我都不会吃这些东西。Hello， 5月11号的1点47分，今天约了朋友去cafe，明天我会飞一个班，总共又是48小时的过夜，是去 Uganda， 是我今天的 OOTD。This is video. Hi, video.
Hello, welcome back to Ernie channel. For today, we are at
unusual.
Yeah, it's very unusual because it's very hard to find this place.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, now we arrive. The height, the face when you smile, everything. Yes, I don't have a picture. You know?
But I feel like it's really pretty now also.
Really? This. It's the day we got together.
Same.
One.
I like the blush.
This one is so nice.
Look up.
No, just for fun.
My pitch. What?
Oh,
Cute.
cute.
Look at that cute.
Cute.
Still unboxing. Is it defect?
Si trovano
Actually, this can use for brush, eye, and
Lip and
lip.
blush.
Everything. 3
And
in 1.
including eye, of course.
Yeah.
Show here.
I will use this like a eyebrow.
I never speak English
Huh?
in my life.
Really?
Like this.
This color.
Yeah, shy.
Shine. There's so much.
It says you also.
Yes.
Suit us? Setting powder.
Setting powder. Hello, baby.
Me too. Now you can have a mixed baby.